and I did that for probably about 6 months to a year, and I realized after kind of digging a little bit more, I'm just like, this world is about to change. What am
Yeah.
I doing? And that's when I learned a little bit more about the cryptocurrency and markets and the digital cash, and everything is kind of moving towards digital, and cash is sort of like it's slowly starting to fade away.
Yeah, everybody keeps saying
So
that.
yep, and then it's coming because in like Arizona, you can't even use cash to buy anything at some of like the stadiums. Like if you go watch a
Right,
game or
to
something like
tap and
that,
stuff like that
or movie
only.
theater or something like that. How do as a banker, or working in the banking industry, what do you think about this kind of thing as far as like going digital and whatnot? Because I seen so many Bank of America physical locations like
Switch
disappear.
to like virtual and things,
Yeah.
but a lot of times with digital also comes fraud. And one of the best
Okay.
ways to avoid fraud is having a hands-on person handle things.
But they got the digital IDs now where you can like verify your
But see, a lot
identity.
of times you can verify or something come up a little sketchy, and so then you know what that happens. What they tell you, we're gonna need you to go to a location and supply your ID and your social security card, because we have fraud come up all the time. People who apply online, run the credit score, run the social. It's a CPN.
Yeah.
That it's a 10-year-old social, things like that. So I feel like just like with machines and stuff like that, it's a lot of stuff that machines took jobs from people.
Yeah.
But I feel like with banking, I don't think I feel like it might get to a point where it's not as many locations. Like
Yep.
so it
It-
was
it-
Bank of America on every block, every street. As banking started dying down, it started getting more digital. We
Yep.
don't need as many locations
Yep.
now.